In this segment, we're going to talk about the electronics component of an RC helicopter. I'm using an Align T-Rex 550. It is a 550 class helicopter swinging 523mm blades. I'm going to be starting from the front to back. We have the LiPo battery right here. It is what powers the whole helicopter. Right underneath it is the electronic speed control, normally referred to as the ESC. The ESC powers the motor. This particular motor is an in-runner motor. The most common motor nowadays is an outrunner motor. The difference is the in-runner does not rotate the can, whereas the outrunner rotates the can. In the very back right here, you can see the heatsink blue anodized fin. It is our BEC. BEC stands for Battery Eliminator Circuitry, where we don't need a separate flight pack to power our servos. And that brings us up here. For the flight control, we have the servos. And the rudder sits right behind here. It controls the tail rod here, which controls the tail surfaces. The servos are called cyclic on an RC helicopter. We have the front left cyclic servo, front right cyclic servo. It's normally called the aileron. And in the very back, we have the elevator cyclic servo. And then on the very back bottom, out of view, is called the rudder servo, and it's what controls the tail. On the very top back of the model is considered the rigid or the fiberless controller. In this case, we're using a Helicommand 3SX Bavarian Demon 3SX. For reception wise, I'm using a Spectrum receiver, and these are the satellites. I like to make a note. Anytime running a 500 bigger class helicopter with a fair amount of carbon fiber frame, you will have reception issues if you do not orientate the receivers correctly.